The two-stroke diesel engine, like the 30 HP model shown at Field Day of the Pass in Rockville, VA, is known for its simple yet powerful combustion cycle. Unlike four-stroke engines, it completes the cycle in just 2 strokes, making it ideal for heavy-duty, continuous tasks in marine, industrial, and legacy applications. A key feature is its oiling system. Lubrication comes from oil mixed directly with diesel fuel. This oil coats parts like pistons and bearings, reducing wear and extending engine life under load. It also contains detergents to prevent carbon buildup and uses low-ash formulas to limit residue. Typically using SAE 40-grade oils, these engines need strong lubrication to handle soot and stress. They're still widely used in marine vessels, industrial gear, and older Detroit diesel engines like the 53, 71, 92, and 149 series, showcasing the lasting value of classic diesel design. The 20-horsepower Fairbanks Morse Type N special electric gas engine, built in 1906, is a durable stationary engine known for its hit-and-miss government, which provided efficient fuel use and steady power. Notably, it powered the military telegraph station in Tanana, Alaska, from 1908 to 1924, supplying electricity for vital communications. Designed as a prime mover, the Type N was widely used for generating power and running industrial equipment. The Tanana engine now survives as a preserved piece of early American engineering, honored by antique engine clubs, and featured in Gas Engine magazine. The Case 10-20, launched in 1915 by J.I. Case Company, was its first small tractor. This three-wheeled, gas-powered machine had a cross-mounted four-cylinder engine at approximately 800 revolutions per minute and a large right rear drive wheel. Weighing tilde 5,080 pounds, it suited smaller farms. Its layout caused visibility issues, needing an arrow to align the front wheel. It was also prone to tipping. Production ended in 1922, replaced by the Case Cross Motor 12-20. The Mack E7 Semi-Electronico 350-388 HP is a renowned heavy-duty diesel engine known for its durability, power, and efficiency. Introduced in 1989, the E7 quickly became one of Mack's most popular engines, widely used in trucks and vocational vehicles. It's a four-stroke, inline six-cylinder engine with a 728 cubic inch displacement. Power ranged from 250 to 400 horsepower, with the Semi-Electronico 350-388 HP models offering a solid balance of torque and fuel economy. Later E-Tech versions reached up to 500 HP and won 660 pound-feet of torque, making the E7 a strong performer in the transport industry. The Semi-Electronico designation refers to electronic fuel injection, a major upgrade from mechanical systems. This improved combustion, reduced emissions, and provided smoother performance. Additional features included the Conovance system, variable injection timing, and swirl technology for better air-fuel mixing. With proven longevity and consistent performance under tough conditions, the Mack E7 earned a reputation as one of the most reliable engines in its class. The 600 HP Snow Gas Compressor, built in 1917 by the Snow Gas Engine Company, is a massive natural gas engine used to compress gas from approximately 50 psi to approximately 450 psi for pipeline transport. Producing 600 horsepower at just 100 RPM, it reflects the slow-speed, high-torque design typical of early 20th century industry. After retirement, it was moved to the Cool Spring Power Museum in Pennsylvania, where a multi-year restoration brought it back to working order. In October 2013, it ran again during a dedication ceremony, showcasing its restored power. Operated via hand wheels and levers, the engine's deep rhythmic sound highlights its mechanical legacy. Now a star attraction at the museum's events like the Summer Expo, the snow compressor serves as both a functioning relic and a tribute to early industrial engineering. The Lister JP4 is a classic four-cylinder, water-cooled diesel engine known in marine use, especially on traditional narrowboats. First made for Dutch barges, it became popular on UK inland waterways, giving 30 to 40 horsepower at low speeds. Though outdated by modern standards, it's valued for strength, reliability, and long life. Many still run after 40,000 hours. Originally hand-cranked, many JP4s now have electric starters. Its presence on the second-hand market makes it ideal for restorations. Owners enjoy its mechanical simplicity and nostalgic charm, linking modern boating with historic marine engineering. The Ruston Hornsby 5H is a classic 5-horsepower stationary engine made by British firm Ruston Hornsby, founded in 1918. Renowned for its reliability and smooth running, it was commonly used in farming, pumping, and light industry. As an open crank engine, it combined visible mechanics with dependable power. Praised for quiet operation and solid build, the 5H reflects the company's high standards. Today, many units are restored by enthusiasts, with detailed guides helping preserve this piece of engineering history. The Cooper tandem gas compressor engine, developed by Cooper, later Cooper-Bessemer, played a key role in early natural gas transmission. This integral engine compressor combined power generation and gas compression on a single crankshaft, reducing energy loss and saving space, ideal for early 20th century industry. Its tandem design aligned multiple power cylinders to drive a central compressor rod, transferring energy from each firing stroke directly into gas compression. With double-acting cylinders and compressors working on both strokes, it delivered high efficiency and output. A V-angle layout added compactness and durability, with many engines running reliably for decades. Used mainly in gas pipelines, treatment plants, and petrochemical facilities, the Cooper tandem was valued for power, efficiency, and long service life. Though now replaced by modern systems, it remains a landmark of industrial engineering and a testament to early energy infrastructure innovation.